He got this amazing Z3 with leather seats, and somebody drove with a sparkling switcher. Good luck getting these sparkling things off. I tried a brush, I tried wash it, little metal needle peak. It's possible, but it's gonna only take you 37 years to do that. But finally I found the solution. That is duct tape or electric tape. And you give the Brazilian wax to it. You press it, actually press it good, and then you yank. Press it, pull. This sticky roll been working better, doing a little less damage to the redness of the color of the leather seat. I think once you detail it or put the armor roll after it, it's gonna become a little better. Like this light color gonna go away eventually. But we are aiming for sparkles, those metal flakes. Goodness, what a sweater with the metal flakes. I'm gonna find that sweater and it's accidentally going to get destroyed maliciously.